In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom link for meeting. Now, once you're in your Zoom, you press over here where it says schedule, and then you can schedule a meeting. Now, you can change the topic of the meeting and then date and time. So I'm going to leave the topic as it is and then change the date and time to today at 4 p.m. let's say. Time zone is fine, no attendees, and then you can change the passcode and whether you want the host to have videos on or off when joining and stuff like that. And then you simply press on save once you're done. And now if you want to copy your link, you simply go into meetings, and then over here you can see it says copy invitation. Now if you press this, the entire text dialog you can see here is going to be copied. So when you press this, this entire thing is going to be copied. But if you only want to copy the link, you can simply double click on this to select it and then just Ctrl+C, and that way you'll copy this link. Now this was the first way of how to get the link before the meeting starts. Now let's say your meeting is already in progress and you want to send somebody the link to join your meeting. Now I'm going to show you this by going into a meeting myself. Okay. Now let's say you're in a meeting and there's two ways you can get a link from inside your meeting room. Now the first way and the easiest way is to click down here where it says participants on this upward pointing arrow and press on copy invite link, and that's it. Your link has been copied to clipboard. And the other way is to press up here on the very top left where it says meeting information. You click on this green check mark and press here where it says copy link. Now those are the ways, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and that's how you do it.